Hi Dressed Cuties, Wayne here. It's fun art time, and today I want you cuties to know that I love hanging with you. So let's get started. To draw these cute Christmas ornaments, I'm going to be using this little tin can as my circle template, just so it's easier because I have to draw two big circles. So hopefully you can find something at home that you can use, but of course you can just freehand it if you're not drawing too big. So go ahead and just draw my two circles here. And I'm going to come right next to it. So I'm just going to shift over and I'm just going to leave enough room for some hands. So not too wide apart. So maybe about that wide. So about right here. So make sure I'm about the same as the other side. And let's go ahead and draw the same thing. There. Okay, so my two kind of wobbly. This is not a perfect circle, but that's okay. Now that I look at it, right? It's kind of wobbly, but yeah, it's actually more of an oval, isn't it? But that makes our ornament here more special, doesn't it? So let's go ahead and we're going to draw the tops of our ornament. So let's find our center. So about right here, I'm just going to give myself a point just so I know that's my center. And then I'm going to use that as my guide. Come across and then angle down there, and then we're going to draw a little curve right on top and then some loops there. So same thing on this side, just find your center about right here and curve. I should have found a better circle template, huh? I realized this circle right here is because I angled the can. The can is wobbly. So this one's a little bit more off. This one's a little bit better, right? Okay, so then now that, sorry, I was mumbling to myself. Okay, so now that we have our tops of our ornament, let's go ahead and we're going to bring them to life. So let's come to this one right here and kind of like in the center area. I'm just gonna go ahead and draw two circles for some Draw So Cute eyes. Come right across, not too wide, so say about right here. Sometimes I feel it's the simplest drawings that are the hardest because there's not much to draw, and then if you mess up you can see it a lot more, right? Okay, so then right here, let's go ahead and draw two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing here. And lines at the bottom. And so that my eyes in, I'm just going to draw a big smile in between the eyes and cap it off. And let's draw a curve on top of each eye right there. And then let's see here. For this side, let's draw some happy eyes. So I'm going to come about right here as well and just draw a big curve and thicken it up. And come across. Do the same thing. Curve on top and then a smile and cap it off. There. And let's see, now let's join them together. So right about here, we're just going to go ahead and connect them with a curve on both. And then right in this area, just sticking it up. And so we're just going to bring this across about right here, the other hand, and thicken it up. And same thing on the other side. There. And then of course, let's add a heart right in the center. There. Okay, so now I have my ornaments in, let's write the pun, which is I love hanging with you. So I'm just going to get a ruler, and so I'm a little bit straighter because it is pretty long word, I mean sentence. And so let's kind of make sure I'm a little bit centered here. Okay, so I'm just going to use this as my guide, and I'll just start about, let's just say about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and write it out first, and then I'll go back in to spruce it up. I love hanging with you, so. And as I get closer, I'll figure out if I need to go wider or thinner. I love hanging with you. So, okay. Hopefully you're using a pencil at home and you can adjust it as you need. So why? Okay, I did it. Yay! With you. So I need to put exclamation here to even it out. There, so not too bad, right? So now that I have that in, I'm gonna go ahead and just spruce up everything. So I'll just make like one side thicker just to make it a little bit fancier. There, and let's see, am I missing anything? That is pretty much it for this super simple, hopefully, and easy, fun Christmas ornament pun art to celebrate Christmas. I love hanging with you, cuties, and I hope you love hanging with me as well. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.